The MechaTron feeder has a number of high-level attributes, but one customer-focused feature that stands out is the unique ability to disassemble the feeder from the non-process side, simplifying cleaning and maintenance. The disassembly can be done in a matter of minutes. Loosen the 2 bolts that secure the back panel. Remove the back panel. Loosen the motor swivel bracket nut. Align the motor and helix drive to a vertical position. Next, swing the motor and drive assembly for complete access to all internal components for cleaning, reconfiguration, or maintenance. Loosen the vinyl hopper band clamp. Loosen the nuts on the Omega clamp. Remove the helix and quill assembly. Remove the vinyl hopper band clamp. Release the band clamp on the vinyl hopper. Slide the vinyl hopper out for easy cleaning, replacement, or maintenance. Once the vinyl hopper has been completely removed, the feeder is disassembled. Slide the vinyl hopper into the feeder housing area. Lock the band clamp over the vinyl hopper. Place the band clamp over the helix opening of the vinyl hopper. Slide the helix and quill assembly into the vinyl hopper opening. Tighten the nuts on the Omega clamp. Tighten the vinyl hopper band clamp. Rotate the motor assembly to the right. Tighten the motor swivel bracket nut. Replace the back panel. Tighten the 2 bolts that secure the back panel. Once the back panel is secure, the feeder is reassembled.